Welcome back to another One Monroe Minute. Today we're going to be taking a look at the different parts of a hinge. Hinges are mechanical devices that connect two solid objects, allowing a limited angle of rotation between them. They're used in various applications, most commonly in doors, gates, cabinets, and other types of enclosures. A basic hinge consists of several key components that work together to allow the connected objects to rotate. The different parts of a typical hinge include the leaves or plates, the knuckle, the pin, the knuckle segments, and the end caps. The leaves or plates are typically rectangular parts of the hinge that are attached to the two objects being joined, such as a door and a door frame. The leaves provide the surface area needed to secure the hinge to the objects, usually with screws or bolts. Next is the knuckle, or the pivot. This is a cylindrical part formed by the interlocking parts of the leaves. It acts as the pivot point around which the two leaves rotate, allowing the connected objects to move. Additionally, the knuckle is made up of segments from each leaf, which interlock with each other. These segments align to create a single cylindrical form through which the pin is inserted. The third part is the pin. The pin is a rod that runs through the knuckle, holding the leaves together and allowing them to pivot. It serves as the central axis of rotation, ensuring the hinge functions smoothly. Some hinges have decorative end caps at the ends of the pin. These are primarily aesthetic, but they can also be used to help keep the pin in place. Here at One Monroe, we offer a variety of hinge types for various applications. To learn more, be sure to reach out to one of our sales engineers. Thanks for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future, and we'll see you next time with another One Monroe Minute.